Ito yung itsura ng Letter of Authority or LOA na ini-issue ng Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR sa mga taxpayers. Ngayon, hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit naka-receive ng LOA ang company nyo from the BIR? Or worse, paulit-ulit nakaka-receive ng LOA ang company ninyo from the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. So ngayon po pag-aralan po natin yung issuance ng Letter of Authority ng Bureau of Internal Revenue sa ating mga taxpayers at ano dapat yung tax remedy na dapat gawin ng taxpayer kapag naka-receive po ng LOA from the BIR. So ito po yung audit program ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, Revenue Memorandum Order Number 6 Series of 2023 dated December 1, 2022. Ang subject niya po, Updated and Consolidated Policies, Guidelines, and Procedures for BIR Audit Program. Inamyendahan niya po yung Revenue Memorandum Order Number 19, 2015. Ito na po yung bago ngayon. Jump na po tayo sa Section 4. Ito po yung Section 4 ng Revenue Memorandum Order Number 6, 2023, Policies and Procedures. Letter A, Issuance of ELA/TBN. The RDO, Chiefs Assessment Division, and their concerned regional directors for regional cases, Chiefs Large Taxpayer Divisions, Large Taxpayers Audit Division, and Assistant Commissioner Large Taxpayer Service for large taxpayer cases are equally responsible in ensuring that only, anong Tagalog ng only? Yun lang. Tax returns of taxpayers registered within their jurisdiction except tax returns related to one-time transaction or on it, and those that match the selection criteria based on taxpayers' non-compliance risk are subjected for issuance of ELA. In other words po, i-issuean lang dapat kayo ng Bureau of Internal Revenue ng LOA if under kayo ng jurisdiction ng investigating office and na-meet nyo yung selection criteria for non-compliance risk.